What's up, Yakntexas people? It's Ty. I'm testing out some new baits tonight. I picked these up at Walmart. These are Tsunami Shrimp. Similar to DOAs, a lot cheaper. I think they come in like a few bucks for 3 of them. Very cheap, but man, look how realistic. And we're picking up a lot of little small trout on them, so they definitely work. Let's get this little guy back in the water. Check them out if you can. Tsunami baits at Walmart. They're crushing it on the price. And I think we'll catch a lot more. Look how realistic that looks. All right, let's get back on it.